guys! Since I'm done talking about the 8 planets in our solar system, this week I'm going to talk about the dwarf planets in our solar system. Now, what exactly is a dwarf planet? Well, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, or the IAU, created a new category for objects in space, and that is dwarf planets. To qualify as a dwarf planet, it needs to have the following characteristics. It has to orbit the sun and be large enough to have its own gravity and be able to pull itself together into a sphere or spherical shape. Now, the 8 planets I discussed in my other space videos also meet these same characteristics. But what makes them different from dwarf planets is that they are not a natural satellite, also known as a moon, and they have cleared their orbit from other objects. What I mean by this is that dwarf planets share their orbit with other objects, like asteroids, debris, or other dwarf planets. There are officially 5 recognized and known dwarf planets in our solar system, and they are, in order from the Sun, Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. Ceres was discovered in 1801 by an Italian astronomer. It is located between Mars and Jupiter and is part of the asteroid belt. It is the largest object in the asteroid belt, yet is the smallest of these planets. It is also the only one located within the inner solar system. A single day on Ceres lasts about 9 hours long, and a year is a little over 4.5 years long. Ceres has no moons and no rings, but the planet itself has traces of water vapors. Pluto was once considered the 9th planet in our solar system. However, in 2006, after the IAU created a new category, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. It is located in the Kuiper Belt and was discovered in 1930. Pluto is the only planet, so far, named by a child, an 11-year-old girl from Oxford, England, named Pluto after the Roman god of the underworld. Pluto has no rings, but it has 5 known moons. One of its moons is Charon. Pluto and Charon are unique because they are considered binary or double dwarf planets. Pluto is the largest dwarf planet, being about half the width of the United States. A day on Pluto lasts 6 Earth days, and a year is 248 Earth years long. In 2015, we finally got to visit Pluto and Charon. In January 2006, NASA launched a mission called the New Horizons, and in July 2015, it finally reached this planet. Pluto's atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. With it being 3.6 billion miles from the sun, its average temperature is negative 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a lot of information about Pluto, huh? Now, let's talk about the last 3 dwarf planets. Now, these 3 we don't have very much information about yet, but let's still talk about what we do know about them. According to NASA, Haumea was discovered in 2003, however, it was not classified as a dwarf planet until 2008. It is named after the Hawaiian goddess of fertility and childbirth. Haumea is not like the others because it's not a sphere, but rather an oblong shape. Some scientists believe this shape is due to the fact that Haumea is the fastest spinning object in our solar system. A single rotation, or a day, is only about 4 hours long. However, a whole year is 285 Earth years. Haumea is the 3rd brightest object in the Kuiper Belt and has 2 known moons. In 2017, it was discovered that Haumea is the first Kuiper Belt object to have any rings. Makemake, which is also pronounced Meg-Meg by some, was discovered in 2005 and is also located within the Kuiper Belt. It gets its name from the people of Easter Island. It takes Makemake about 305 Earth years to completely orbit the sun, and a day's rotation is about 22 hours long. Makemake has no rings and only 1 moon that has not yet been confirmed or named. Eris is one of the largest known dwarf planets in our solar system. It was discovered in 2003 and is named after a Greek goddess. It takes Eris 557 Earth years to completely orbit the sun. Now that is a long time. The last time Eris was where it is right now was around the 15th century. That is the time of Leonardo da Vinci and Christopher Columbus. That is so crazy, huh? Eris has no rings and only 1 known moon. Wow, well that was a lot of information in this video. But I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. So that is it for my space series, but I really enjoy sharing my love of space with you all, and I hope you continue to come back each week to see what other fun facts I have to share with you. Now next week I'm going to start a short video series on American history, and I hope you join me for this series as well. See you then! Haumea is the fastest spinning object in our solar system. Wait, what? It is about. However, in 2006, after the IAU created the new category, Pluto, we got a T in there.